Hello beautiful people, today is Friday and I just did a poll on my Instagram and you guys really like the daily vlog, so I just decided to start vlogging today since majority of you guys said that you wanted to vlog and I really miss vlogging. And if you guys are really interested in seeing random stuff that I do daily, then I'm all up for it since I really do miss that. I did my nails using this Orly nail polish, and I was watching videos after work, my YouTube videos, and I thought I'd do a yoga session with you guys. I am not great at it. I just started doing yoga, so I'm not that flexible or anything of that sort. So if you do want to watch any YouTube videos on yoga for beginners, you can always do that. There's so many videos out there. I just wanted to like kind of move my body a little bit, move my muscles as well. So this is what I did today. It's just a bit of a self-care kind of Friday. I forgot that I have to look at you guys in this lens, since you know it's better than you guys can see me actually talking to you than me looking at the little image here. Anyway, the bed is super hot, super hot. I don't know for you guys, but it's so hot. So yeah, did my yoga session, painted my nails, and now what I'll be doing is most likely make myself a cup of tea. Oh, actually I'll be making salmon and grilled zucchini, so I will show you what I'll be cooking so you guys can have a little look and then have dinner. Once I've had dinner, then I will take a shower and then just basically be the end of today's self-care kind of like day. Tomorrow I might head to the mall, so if I do head to the mall, I will bring you guys with me. But yeah, you guys wanted a daily vlog of what I do during lockdown, so yeah, that's what I've been doing and that's what I do, and I will show you around. From the Cheesecake Factory, and yeah, it's just a little bit weird coming shopping because everyone has their mask on and it's just too much of a hassle for me, so I just use my scarf as my mask. But yeah, I'll show you when we get the food. We'll just find somewhere to eat. I don't know if you guys can hear me properly because it's very noisy. We're at the mall currently, so anyway, I will show you the food. This is the food. I got pasta pomodoro with shrimp, and he got, what did you get?
Salmon miso.
Salmon miso.
With brown rice.
We're so starving that we ate at basically in the car because you can only do takeout. So yeah, we're just sitting in the car, charging our car and eating. Hey guys, we are in the parking lot. We got ourselves our Timmy's. Got myself a double coffee, and we have bread from the Cheesecake Factory. I'm gonna put butter on it, eat and chill and just have some time away from being in the house. So we're just gonna hang in the car and that's it. Hello guys, welcome back, and it is Sunday today. Yesterday I left off with us being in the car and just having our coffee and having a piece of bread after we went to Yorkdale to grab some food from the Cheesecake Factory. Anyway, today I am filming the Zara haul for you guys, and I want to show you the aftermath of that crazy haul. This video is going to be up before the Zara haul, and I will show you how it looks like right now. My room is completely in a mess, and that's just me filming part one, which is talking to you guys about the items that I've gotten and not having done the try on portion yet. I'll show you how it looks like. So these are all the clothes, like a little sneak peek of what you guys will see. And this is the setup. This is my little subscribe, like and share type of thing. And yeah, this is the chair and this is my lighting. Trust me guys, oh my god, the light was on me and it was super hot. But yeah, this is the actual setup. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you would like to see in the upcoming videos. I don't know, I'm not too sure if I'm going to end this vlog here. If I do end this vlog here, then I'm sending you lots of love. And don't forget to give that video a thumbs up, subscribe, like and share. It will mean the world to me if you do subscribe to my channel and join the fam. And don't forget to add me on Instagram. I post regularly on Instagram, especially on my stories. It will be so much fun to have you guys join the fam. Anyway, I will love you but leave you and I will talk to you soon. Bye.